In this video, we are going to write a simple hello world program in Java. So you can say when you're starting your Java coding journey, so it's a very first program we have to write. So just you're checking your knowledge and syntax. The very first important thing is like how to write a simple program without taking any input, and that is used hello world. So I'm going to create a hello world program. So I'm using Eclipse IDE. So maybe whatever the IDE you have, you can use the code, and the program will the same. Just to have to copy the code, or just to have to type this code and run it. So let's start the creating the your first program. So I am using Eclipse. So from here going to new, then after clicking on classes, okay, so we have to create the class, and then I'm going to create hello world. Okay, so Eclipse is a very famous ID that is used, so it's the same already exist. Okay, so let's create any others name like hello world program. Okay, so it's already exists. So then after click on the finish. Okay, so by default this code snippet is created. Okay, so what we have to do, so I think you already know public means just a type of access modifier of this classes. So by default is a public. So the next default code is we have to define main method. Okay, so the syntax is same like public. Okay, public static. Okay, static. Okay, void main. Okay, and then after what we have to do inside this one, you have to pass a string argument. Okay, args. Okay, so this one, so this is a uh, template, or you can say every time you have to define like that. It will not going to change. Like a public method we define like that. So in our program we have to just print a hello world. So just displaying any message to the screen, or output a screen, or you can say the console. Basically in the programming language we can say that there is no any GUI involved. The input or the output will taken from the console. It's a sometimes it's a black screen, or sometimes if you are using Eclipse you will say see here like the bottom is a call it's console, or this is area where you will display the output or input also. Methods available in Java to perform any output operations is system out. Okay, system dot out dot println. Okay, so println. Okay, println is either we can use this number of methods print, or println means after the printing the any message, the cursor will go to the next line. Okay, so I'm using this one. Okay, and inside this one I'm going to pass any message like hello world. Hello world, this is Java. Okay, this one. So just we have to display any message to the screen. System.out.println, this with the help of system.out packages. Inside these packages print method is available. Okay, so more details, like if you want to see the details of any function, so when you hover on it, so you can see these are descriptions like print a string and then terminate the line. Okay, the method we have as a through its invoke print string and then println. Okay, so parameter is x, or x is a parameter, is going to pass inside this method. Okay, so we are following the same syntax. Now our next step is just to run this program. So just running the program, just right click here. Okay, so these options will be enabled. Okay, run option will be enabled here. Okay, and then after click on the Java application, because this is a standalone application not running on the server. Okay, so just run it, so you can see the output. Okay, this one is Java. Again, if you want to print some other messages, okay, so just copy paste code, just saving our time. And now I'm going to write something. Java is purely oops means object oriented programming. Okay, let's run it. Let's first save it and then run it. Okay, again I'm following the same step, just clicking on the run. So now you can see that this message is printing two times. The first one, this system.out methods print the very first line, and this system.out print the second line. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this is a very simple program, like just checking your syntax is working or not. Okay, and or maybe also you can say your compiler is successfully installed or not, or maybe your compiler is integrated or is configured properly. So just like a simple program is very helpful, not like going to take any hard or any type of large or complex input output, something like that. Okay, so just a single line of code you can print anything. Okay, so I think this is a very simple program.